The Jazz You Up School is a digital platform designed for jazz professionals and enthusiasts to improve their skills. It offers classes based on international workshops, organized into 4 levels: beginner, intermediate, advanced, and open, adaptable to any level. Whether you are a jazz or Latin dance dancer, this platform adapts to your goals. It includes warm-up exercises, hip technique, Latin technique, release and wave technique, jazz technique, choreography section, and a cultural corner where you will have theoretical classes. To access, simply go to juanjohinojosa.com, click on Online School, and complete the monthly payment form to enjoy all the content.